As someone who has kind of empty nested and has realized that I need to declutter my home, I see how emotional this can be. We've been in our home for over 25 years. We have so many memories and items in our home that mean so much to us. So where to begin? Here's what I share with my clients, because it's the same thing that I'm doing, and it turns out that it's the Swedish way of doing things. They call it death cleaning. When they start downsizing, they start giving away their belongings to family and friends. The cool thing about doing this is that you get to see the people that you love enjoy the items that you love. So let's say you have vintage pieces that one of your kids loves as much as you do. If the piece can't move with you, then you give it to them so they can enjoy it as much as you have. Those of us that still have photos of our kids, make an album for each from the pictures you have and give it to them. I'm sure that will declutter a lot. Go room by room and check out what items you can give away or even sell, and which items you can't live without, and will move with you. I already have an idea of what I'll be giving my daughters when the time comes. As we age, we should look at ways of making sure that we don't leave our kids with a house full of stuff, because then they have to figure out what to do with it, and they will have a lot to deal with by not having you around. I see this a lot in my business, and it breaks my heart to see the things that some kids leave behind to be thrown away by someone else. Would love to hear what ideas you have for death cleaning.